We'll first open MS Word to create an examination date sheet. Then the new page will open by clicking blank page. The size and layout menu will select the A4 size for the page. And go to margins and click on custom margins and write 1.7 centimeters in top, 0.3 cm in the bottom, left, right and click on OK. Click Ignore here. So, page setting will be like this. After this, click on this black mark at the bottom of the table in Insert menu and click on Insert Table, then a new window will open. From here we will write the number of rows and columns and click Auto Fit to Content and click OK. So, table will look like this on page. Now in the first cell of the third row we will click with mouse. Class will be written here. To move to another cell, we'll press Tabs button from the keyboard. By selecting the last additional column in this way, you will click from the right button of mouse in a cell and click on Delete Cell. This is how the names of the papers will be written here. Now select all the cells of the rows at the top and click on the Table Layout menu and click on the Merge Cell. So, the column will end up and become just a long cell. The same goes for other rows. Now click with mouse's left button at this corner of table and all tables will be selected this way. Then select the center from here, then all the writing in the table will be fit in the center of your cell. Now we will write the name of the school in the first row. In the second row, you will write the description of the corresponding date sheet. Now this way we will select the school name and go to Home menu and increase the font size from here. And from here we'll change font style. The same has to be done with other row writings. Now select these two rows separately and click on Merge Cell in Layout menu. They'll select additional rows and click on the right button of mouse in one of the cells. And then click Delete Cell. So, these extra rows will be eliminated. Then come to the Design menu. From here, click on Pen Color and select White Color. And in this way, the two lines on the side of this row have to be clicked and whitened in this way. Double-clicking in free space now will remove this pen mark. Cursor is in the last row and we'll come to Home menu. From here, the font size will increase slightly. After clicking on this black mark below the symbol in Insert menu, click More Symbol. Selecting Wingdings from here will reveal many symbols. We can select a mark we want. Selecting the check symbol from here and clicking on the insert, then this symbol will appear on our page where there is cursor. Here we can write instructions about the exam and paper time, etc. To bring it to the center of page, you will click with the right button of mouse at this corner of the table. So, clicking on Table Properties in this menu will open this window. From here, we'll select Center and click OK on OK. So, table will come in the middle of page. This way again we'll go to Table Properties. And this time we'll click Row from here. Now from here, specify height will be checked and written 1 centimeter. And OK will do click. So, the height of all rows will be equal. Now you will select all the columns of classes and increase the font size from here. And by selecting the rest of the writing in the same way, size will increase. Now to make a difference in this classes, you will select this first row and change color from here. We will color the third except the second, the fifth except the fourth, and the seventh except the sixth. Now we will come to this empty row and reduce its height in the Layout menu. Then after coming to Home menu, you will also reduce the font size. So, it will look like that. Now to print 2 tables on one page, click with the right button of mouse on this corner of the table and click Copy in menu. Then click with the mouse's left button in the blank space at the bottom of this table. And the keyboard will press on Enter 2 or 3 times. Then click Paste above here. So, there will be 2 date sheets on one page. Now go to File menu to save it. By clicking on Browse from here, you can save wherever you want to save. Now go to File menu to print it. Then click on Print. This way we'll select the printer from here. And then come to Printer Properties and set Quality, Color, etc. and click OK. And then when you click on this print, it will start to print. Then this page will be cut like this and become 2 date sheets, and it happened 2 date sheets on one page.